Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. This is a matching numbers 396 car, factory air car. This is the correct color combination for the car. It's original cranberry red with the black vinyl top and the black interior, and I'm telling you, a beautiful, beautiful car. I drove this car a couple of times. Just runs and drives excellent, tight as can be, doesn't squeak, doesn't rattle. Just a good, solid, straight Chevelle, and a matching numbers car, guys. It's got BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. It's got the SS, factory correct SS wheels. It's got the operable cowl hood, which works. A lot of options. Factory tach and gauges. And like I say, just a great car. I mean, really just a nice car. And you guys know, these 70s are tough, man. These are the ones that all the collectors are chasing. And this is a numbers car. Brand new front bumper. Again, it's got the operable cowl hood, painted on hood stripes that are cleared over top. Again, that hood does work. Air blows cold. Nice, nice car, guys. If you're looking for a nice 70, you're gonna like this car right here. Again, nice and straight. Good, good car. Paint on the car is beautiful. Again, that chrome and stainless is very, very nice. Fit and finish is great. It's about a 6-year-old restoration. I'm sorry, 8-year-old restoration. Gentleman I bought the car from has a little private collection that he has. It's just a beautiful, beautiful car. Again, it is a matching numbers 396, 350 horse block. It's more like 450 horse now. 4-barrel, you can see the Edelbrock intake. It's got GM Performance aluminum heads, comp cam. It's got hooker ceramic headers. You can see the factory air, power steering. It's got power disc brakes. He does have the vacuum canister on it for the brakes, so you get nice consistent pedal. 700 R4 overdrive transmission with the lockup converter. Nice car, guys. Like I say, if you want something that drives out good, I think you're really gonna like this car. It's all painted nice underneath the hood and everything. I mean, this guy did a nice, nice job on this car. Again, it does have the front disc brakes. That vinyl top's in great shape. Again, it's got the factory black vinyl interior. Look at all the little cracks and crevices. This car is nice. It's got the factory bucket seats, console. He's put the little overdrive selector in there, factory staple shifter. It's got all the correct seat belts on it. Sport steering wheel. Again, it is a factory tach car. It does work. Showing 19,000. You know, that's not the original miles. You can see even the clock works. Factory AM, FM, and yes, it does work. It's got, I think it's 2.5-inch Flowmaster dual exhaust, 12-bolt 373 limited slip rear end. Awesome car, guys. Like I say, you're looking for a nice Chevelle, especially in a 70, don't miss this car. It's got a lot to offer. You can see he's put a trunk pan in it. I think it's had a quarter put on this passenger side. But I think other than that, I think it's original body panels. Factory jack with a spare. Nice car. Doors open and close real nice. Like I say, the fit and finish on the car is excellent. You can see it's got the factory 12-bolt with the rear sway bar. Nice car, guys. As you can tell, I was tickled when we got this car bought. Is in great shape. You can tell he's definitely had all that glass there refurbished, and he's done a nice job. Like I say, it's got the little overdrive selector there, which is pretty cool. We'll have Jay jump in and fire it up. All your, your door handles, all that stuff's just very, very nice. The flapper hood, it does function. Jay just kicked the air on. Yes, it blows cold. Man, it's a nice car, guys. Sorry, I'm just putting the pins in so Jay doesn't have to get out, guys. I like that car a lot, man. Nice car. Tach's functional. You can see your amp gauge works. Again, clock, fuel gauge, temp gauge works. Great car. Great car. And this thing will run, guys. It's not your standard just 396. This thing gets with the program. It's a little chilly this morning. That's not blow by or anything. It's just a little cold this morning when we're shooting this. Radio works, blower motor works. Man, it's a nice car. Nice car, man. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com, or you're always welcome, guys. Pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Well, that's a nice car. Have a great day, guys.